Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, Patriots, kom op. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op. Ik ga je phone als je op je live van bieden.
Ja.
Ja, ik zou die comment zien. Michelle, Felix, Mtoa. Weet je wat, daar bring mij, dan gaat je dan, wat is de iPhone?
Ja, die oude iPhone.
Oh, dat ooit nee, ons kennen. Ik kan je niet helpen.
Kijk, zo bring ik stem staan willen.
Ik kan
C-type.
C-type, ja. Ik kan je niet helpen. Hij is nog een bejaarde van.
Nee, ik heb nog mee. Die wat rest van mij geprobeerd.
Ah, die. Zij heeft nog, wat doen we dit? En de man van weg een foto bij. En dat is mensen, en ons, bezig. So they were excited to see me, né? So like it's like groot man, what excited om me te zien, man. So I go like, so I see the one says, let's take a picture. The other one says, no, don't take a picture. So I'm feeling a bit like, why would you not want to take a picture with me? You say you like me, I want to take pictures with you guys. And he says, no man, die man weet hoe lyk sy phone, hoe kan hy met jou, sy dan een leier van een party met die phone, ek sê, wat is verkeerd met die phone, ek like, nee man, pres man, die man het hy sê ons phone met frietje daar. Ja, dat dan weet my geen, ek baard uit waar hy lag. Hy het een fries daar. Ja. Patriots, sê daar, julle weet, ek begin nie Patriots, ek begin nie, die is een baie kort live, julle gaat nou sien. Patriots, is julle wakker, Patriots? Bel julle mekaar wakker, Patriots? Is julle wakker, patriotte? Ek wil vir julle dankie te sê voor ek vergeet, that issue of, what that boy's name? Oh, Liam. Well, Liam, that issue of that guy, Liam, that you listened to me earlier, before you talk about what you want to speak about. Thank you for listening, that we mustn't attack him. He will open his eyes one day, Patriots. But thank you for not attacking him, and thank you for listening to me, and that meant a lot. Because ons is liefdevolle mense in die Peri. Ons is liefdevolle mense.
Maar waar is die liefde van mij?
Is liefde vir jou?
Pres, kom maar, hier voor die hele mensen nog van mij.
Met die Hisense. Dat is een freestyle. Ja, kom sê die mense, ja, hallo, ek maak lang die Hisense, kyk ja. Kom sê hallo vir die mense, die. Hallo vir die mense.
Awe, hoe lyk hulle mense, meneer Baizane, in English don't be sa. Ek ken al regtig hoekom ons vampires hier so opsit. En 'n groot, dis koud, dis so ek kry baie koud. En as die plek mos so groot is, jy voel wind van everywhere. Ek breek trek uit. Kom hier. Hoor, die is so groot hè. As jy praat ek hoor wat noem hulle dit dan die echo. Hy is so groot as die is.
Ek kry dan warm op die dag.
Pres was gewoon vir die is.
As die mense hulle dan mense, hier is toe bring op dan die stak vir goedes, né?
Ek kry koud so. Ek voel dat wind van everywhere. As jy wind van die tafel.
Op die dag kom jy so, jy sê, sit aan die winter. Ek kan nie ek kon dit aan, dan nie ek kon dit.
Ai nee. Die Patriots, hulle is wakker, 12 o'clock. As die roofkikker is ook, kukulu.
Dit is hier heel bizar, man. Kijk die Patriots, né? Julle weet, ek begin nie voor dat die by 1000 is eerste nie. So ja, ek sien die mense is wakker, jonger. Patriots, let me just give you the big thing quickly. Number one, I want to tell you first, in this party we are family. The Chinese have a saying where they say when you dig a grave for a man, dig two. And I want to speak to you about something. Yeah, now it's right. I'm there. Mbisa, can you hold me back?
Geef my phone terug.
Wie? Is te zwaar, hè? Kijk hier.
Ik heb nog mijn phone, hè? Mijn rechter jongen.
Ja, kijk hier. Die wat weet het? Life is not going to be long. People need to sleep. So let
You want
me...
water?
Please get me... That's the fridge is that you go around there.
Papa, I told you.
No, man. Thank you. Just go get me water, man. So, Patriots, we are family, never forget that. But what I want to speak to you about is that the reason why I said you must come up 12 o'clock, because I've got something to show you, which I didn't want roof kickers. I checked now, there's no roof kickers here so far. The ESG and send me a message on my other phone now that they also check. They don't see the roof kickers because this is crucially important. I'm sorry. How bizar? Here at bizar no verdwaal. The water is just here, Petrus. Give me 30 seconds, né? 30 seconds. I just want to get water because this is important what I'm going to tell you now. 30 seconds, I promise. Just 30 seconds. I'm just going to grab water. Check where's Mbisa. Mbisa probably got lost. And then I'm just going to grab water. Because what I tell you now, I'm too thirsty. I can't just say it. It is the biggest thing. I'm going to say it and I'm going to sleep. You have to know this. Let me just get water quickly.
Come up, Patriots! Come up! Kukurukugu! Kom op. As die mense nog wakker raso. Skrik alles het wakker. Ons is tussen soos 'n nissen. Ons is binne buite. We not gonna see you later. Ons is hier pres, ek dink die mense is geskok soos wat hulle hier sit. Die mense is geskok. Hulle sê nog die mense is geskok soos wat hulle Ek is by die huis. Welcome home, homie. Ek is by die huis. We only have us. Ons is hier. Ek is by die huis. Sê hulle. We only have us. Hoe sê hulle? Ek is mos alaitie. Ek mos gesê ek is alaitie. You a child. Nou sê ek daarom by my pa. En jou pa se kind. Ja, sê. Hey, baie. Wat gaat er ja? Stop. Wat is familie? En het hier net over wat platte bak. Wie? Het is hier verraaierie. Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut. Wat baie zadi. Wat baie zadi. Sali baie zadi om te rijden. As ons nooit asblik vir 'n Patriot. As ons nooit asblik vir 'n Patriot nie. Charles kom sê ook hallo. Ons sê hallo. Ons is hier, ons is by die huis en Patriots, dat is 'n ding wat ek wil sê. Is baie maklik om hierdie ding te kyk en allerlei dinge te dink wat nie die waarheid is nie. En vanaand wil ek eintlik die waarheid vertel. En ek dink ek moet iets reste. As you remember in the committee, I almost said Prezi is leading a dictatorial party.
Yes.
A one-man show and all of that. Ek het mos so gesê.
Yes.
But he said something in the committee. Hy het iets gesê wat my binne my siel geslaan het. Jy het 'n comeback vir die ding gehad. Niks van 'n comeback.
Nee, maar ek wil net wat jy geleek.
Jarr.
Hey, jongen,
Kyk hier, ek het 7 minute gehad. 7 out of 25. Ek het 7 out of 25 gehad. Maar daai ander 18.
hey, jongen,
Man sê, wat sê die ek? Ek sê, help my. Maar hy het 'n ding gesê, man. Hy het gesê, you call me a dictator. Jy sê ek is 'n dictator. When your party don't have one colored person as a minister or deputy minister, despite colored people making up the overwhelming majority of the party's vote. Now, when he said that thing, toe hy daai ding gesê het, ek het gesit. As 'n moment wat ek eintlik my hele asem ingesluk het. Like ek's honger van die asem. En toe dit gebeur, toe sê ek, nee, oom Biza, is tyd vir my om aan die huis in te kom. Is tyd vir my om huis toe te kom. Is tyd vir my om uiteindelik te sê, ek Biza nie. En Patriots, ek wil net baie dankie sê, dat julle almal my met liefde aanvaar. Ek is baie, baie dankbaar, want dis die hoe 'n Patriot moet wees. Dis hoe ons is. En ek kan die liefde voel. Ek het die liefde van Mbiza gevoel. Die liefde van Pres gevoel. Because if there's one person on this earth who had every single right to make sure that I'm not sitting where I'm sitting, it's Pres. I attacked him relentlessly for 3 years. Hom aangeval, 3 jaar.
Now, what made you come? What made you come over? You know, especially because I mean, somebody's gonna say you then called that party a dictatorial party. What is it that made you during this time think? Yeah.
You know, you expect your own to defend you. En ek sit daar en ek is ons in die parlement, ek doen my gedoentes. And I get told, tone it down. Sit stil. Dis jou boksie? Moenie groter as jou boksie wees. I get told that. After Tuesday, the very same people that you expect to defend you is the people that will put a knife in your back and stab you from the front also. Just to say he did it himself. That is why I'm sitting here today. Because I was accepted. It was aanvaar. Met hart en ziel.
The guy who had all the reason.
Every single reason in the world. That man, I almost told you, ek het hom aangeval behoorlik 3 jaar. 3 jaar. 2022 to 2025. As net ek maak geras, kyk dit, president, ken sy dat. Maar ek is gestuur. Dan sê, jy moet het so maak. Jy moet hom slaan. Jy moet hom slaan. Nobody else. Ek moet hom slaan. Ek, a young colored person, ek moet nou vir nog 'n colored mens sê, nee, ek gaan hom kry. En Patriots, verkeerd is verkeerd. You can't make a wrong right and you can't make a right wrong when you look at something that is blatantly wrong like that. Because we do believe most in second chances aside.
Yeah, and especially him.
Especially him.
You got a second chance. And that's
Especially
really his heart. It's like a genuine thing. His heart. You can do whatever. This is one thing about our president. He's authentic. He's genuine. What you get with him, you get.
And that's
You've
what I thought.
experienced that,
Yeah.
right? And the thing about second chances, there's nothing that you can do in this party that will make us hate. Not just you, any patriot. And that's him. It's like he always says if he got a second chance, who is he not to give
Other people.
another second chance?
And
How did you feel when you, as you say, your own party didn't? You told me about an experience that you had with the chief whip of the party.
it's him. He got me in it was at the CTICC.
Yeah.
And I'm walking to the sitting, and he catches me walking, and he says, tone it down. All of the respect that you are getting, ek gaan dit verloor, dit gaan backfire. And because we had arranged a meeting, ons het 'n meeting gearrange vir donderdag. Ek sê vir hom, Chief, ons gaan op donderdag praat. Donderdag, so ons 'n meeting op donderdag. Wat sê hy? Ons gaan nie donderdag praat nie. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? Ek, sy kollega, die mens wat hy moet defend. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? En ek sê donderdag. En hy loop en hy sê, klaar wat het soos. Ons gaat die donderdag meet. Maak ek my phone oop. En I see, your meeting is cancelled for Thursday. A fair chance, an opportunity to explain my side.
Something that they told you to do.
Yes. Something they said, I want to speak to you, arrange. Then they say, on the Thursday, or on the Wednesday, for the Thursday, that was cancelled. Of a 2-minute interaction.
And the point is, you have to now shut up. You have to now not get opportunity anymore for something that you did that they told you to do.
Exactly.
But then you wake up now and you see in the media, newspapers are saying Gaten that you'll be back and ally. How did you feel when you saw, instead of him coming and doing the same, instead he tells Patriots and others, don't do what the rest is doing to Liam? How did that make you feel?
As a liar, Hy's a liar. When I saw that, I saw what a leader is supposed to be.
Yeah.
I saw compassion. I saw somebody who lead from a place of love, who lead with people in his heart, with people in his mind. That's not immense. En die liefde wat ek gekry het, die ware liefde. Mens kan ons voel as die liefde nie waar is nie. As dit Hong Kong is, as dit soos hy baksteen van wat jy.
En dit is warm nou, voel die liefde. Dit is so koud as dit hier nie.
Is warm, kyk hoe tabie sweet hierso.
You know,
Ek is op oopkraak.
there's something else you told me. When
Come tell me what is a double
What a
hanger.
double hanger.
Come tell me what is a double
As die nie dubbel gaan.
Wat is hy?
As iemand dat so sê, is 'n klou.
Oh, laat gemaak
As jy
word.
so foute,
Ja.
en sporre te foute, al die hy sê.
baksteen. Maar die een is vermelings en die ander
Liewe phone maar president. Ek sê nou baie sy phone. Kyk hier.
Yes.
Tell me that thing, man. When you are asking why doesn't Khaled get promoted in the gym?
Yes.
Honger.
Hey, joh. Word ek sommige
Gebruik met kop.
ja nee. Sê dat stamme politics.
Ja,
stamme
tot die prijs, weet jy oor die bord nie.
As haar stamme politics.
Hier is ons betalen, hè. Ons gebruik met kop. Hulle is hier nie honger, maar hè.
Baie honger.
Yes.
Kijk,
Pres.
kom ek zo. Wat gebeur nou? Nou is ons in Durban. As ons Durban toe kom. Nou kom om Biza uit die Kaap uit. And Biza is coming out of Cape Town. With Liam, ne? There's some cold drinks and stuff. And ice. Now, some Biza is coming all the way from Cape Town, but it's coming with Liam. Maar niemand wil ons sien nie, man.
Niemand heeft hem meer gezien, hè?
Ja, hij is een donker.
Undercover. Oh, weer die volle dag.
Kijk hier. Dan zit ik in die plane in. En die plane, I'm telling you a true story. As die hele EFF Malema, die deputy, Kadi, Charles, myself, Mbiza, Liam, en die helft van die parlement, en dat die mensen beginnen te kijken. Hou er nog niet, je gezien. Kan jongens zien, man. Kan jongens zien. Patriot, let me tell you something. You know, and that is from the bottom of my heart. You know, when Liam made contact with us, he said something. He said, I'm coming. I don't care if you guys want me to open the gate, the PA, if you guys want me to wash cars. Ek kan niet in mijn mensen bekleding. You know, for me, when he said that, ek kan niet in mijn mensen bekleding.
Ek kan nie te my mense beklei nie. Ek gee nie om nie, wat hulle gaan doen my nie, or where I'm gonna wash cars, or things. Ek kom PA toe, waar kan ek gaan klere koop? Ek gaan daar beteer en hulle gaan koop by hulle. Ek dink ek die gaan koop, ek gaan vir jou bring. Maar ek moet sê, ek gaan koop. Dan gaan hulle hoor, hoe koop die klere. But I want to say to you from the bottom of my heart, you know, we believe in young talent. We believe in grooming people to become the best version of themselves. Yeah, no, please sit. Fine. As je hier wat kan, dan is het spookrijder. With us here, your home, I can promise you, the Patriots, they will treat you with all the love. You will see when you go and work in Ward 34, dan word jy graag gehoor. Jy moet terug gaan by graf.
Kan ek 'n paars graf?
Ja, asseblief. Bradley.
Ja, ek verstaan.
Ja, bring 'n vars graf. But what I want to say to you is that your home, yes, your home. Let me tell you, we will never turn against you here. Never. I'm saying this on a life. My people know loyalty is everything to us. Love for each other is everything. We just a family, man. We just a family. If one makes a mistake, we help each other. And I can tell you, keeping this secret was very hard. Yo, people are. But the funny part is now, my protectors, my security team, is picking me up at the lounge, at the minister's lounge. So I said, let's go around, let's go and get pizza. So we go around to the airport to find pizza. Pizza coming with Liam. One of the security guys, one of the security personnel says, "Is dit daai jong dierie?" Ek vra, ek hoe met dom man. Jong. Hy fucking jong man. Saan Bart is wat hy lag. Ek het lag ek ook maar hè. Nou kom sy dit kan sê. Ja, maar hulle kyk maar die man se mag so swak. Die was amper hele kar bekat. Now let me tell you, Liam is genuine. He's home. He can tell you stories about. They're gonna accuse him of everything. But you see, there's a saying that says the wise man changes his mind. There's so many people of the DA that speak to me and they've got 10 million questions. Yeah, I want to come, but this is what I want. Make sure this. This young man came and he said, as met 'n caravan with the PA. Ek kom huis toe. And you know what he tells me? He says, no, ek het nog van geld die ek het. Bietjie gespaar. Ek het gewerk. Ek werk 'n jaar lang gespaar, maar ek het vir my maar sê, kom huis toe. Ons het jou nodig hier as die PA. Ek sê, maar die mense nie. Ek sê, jy ken nie die Patriots nie. Hy mense, jy ken nie die mense nie. Hulle liefde. Hy mense gaan jou defend. Patriots staan sterk. Maak die honde losbore. Dat hulle gaan kom vir ons. Ons is reg. Hulle gaan kom kry, ons is reg. Ons is nie passie. Ons is los. En om bizar. Yes. Thank you. Om bizar. Jy was die man wat die tussenganger was tussen ek en Liam. Jy is die man wat ek vertrou het om te sê, go talk to him, go say this. I mean, like, I just saw you on the live now when I was inside the room. Liesel Penneken. Ek sing welcome home, no dead. Wow. Liesel Jordan.
How do you know Liesel Penneken?
No, I told you the funny story, ne? So I said, Eugene, can you speak to you? He says, about what? I said, I just need you to make sure that.
Kijk net hoe morgen Charles, die moet zien hoe morgen die wit mensen hier, en ik wil net door haar gaan. Kijk hoe morgen die wit mensen hier. Ja, kan hulle ook nie reg eet nie. Kan hulle nie.
You know what I like, nee? Daarom is die bloed nou op die vloer en nie teen die muur. That was what we do.
Yes.
You know? It's not anymore of fighting each other. As jy weet, hy van ons beklei teen mekaar. Ons beklei nie.
En ek weet dit woorde, ding speaker toegemaak. Ja, nee, hy sê.
Sê ek wat sê.
Dit is so ou.
Ek hom so.
Ja. So Patriots, Liam is by die huis. Kom julle huis toe mense, Here, hulle weet wat gaan daar aan man. Hulle weet dat.
Kom.
Ja, kom met die mense wat gaan daar aan.
You said you spoke to Eugene.
Oh yeah, I want to tell you about Eugene. That was the funniest part. Charles is already laughing. So now I'm telling Eugene, I said, Eugene, can you just check for me if with the issue of Liam, ne? He says, we back there again. I said, no, I want you to check. Get his CV and check what degree does he have, so we can see where we can slot him in. He's like, slot him where? So I had to trust Eugene and tell him. So after I told Eugene, he says, my levens maar snacks, joh. Ik heb gister met die jongen beleefd vandaag.
Only in the beer.
Only the PA.
Only
the
the-
SG. Well, obviously she has to know. Is the SG. Maar de SG blij me bel. Samen 12 uur. Waarom begin je live? Waarom begin je live? Ik zeg, SG, zijn daar gekend, man. So, Patriots, ik wil even zeggen dankie. Liam is bij de huis. Hier ga je zien, man. Bizar. Ik zie dat je bij bel je stem. Dat ik gewoon
Ek sê vir hom, as big brother nie.
Welkom.
My groot broer nie. Ja,
Welkom op.
I don't know how to say. Ek is baie gelukkig. So wat ek hier sit, staan die smile van hier tot hier. Ek is klaar gesmile. My wange is laat seer, my kieste is seer van die gesmilery. Yes.
You know what makes me happy?
What?
That the plan that they've always had, I feel like die tyd het aangebreek dat ons breek nou die plan. Die plan dat ons altyd mekaar moet beklei. Ons het al leer wat ons by mekaar bring. Ons is die generation.
Ik hoor van.
Wat die mense, wat onze land, onze mensen, onze hele land bij elkaar. So, Patriots, we love you. He's onze kind. He's by the huis. Honorable Chief Hope Marlon Daniels, you were right. Tell him.
This is where I say om te sê, ek is nou by pa's huis.
Oh,
You were right. He's a child, but now he's past a kind.
Daar sê. And that's why I say, hoe lyk hulle? Massacre.
so Patriots, moet nie baie zijn nie.
Nie baie dan nie. Ons baie dan nooit hier so.
Ons baie zijn nooit hier. Ons kom met Liam. Ik kom ons voorbij toe. En dan heb ik gehoord ervoor. Nelson Mandela bij. En ik de Rakkenstein toe. Ik heb hem gezegd, ik heb nog een liefdegevoel. Ik zei, liefdegevoel als ik daar kom. Die Landela op die gronden. Van ons erbij. En die edgy zal hem morgen alleen geven. Maar ik samen met ons. Max respect, Liam. Thank you so much for your trust. We are together. No matter what they say about you, God knows who you are.
Thank you,
And you've given your all, man. You know, P is brace. He defends ons iemand se kan. Dan kan die mense dit sê, baba. Patriots. Waar die roofkikkers, man? See, this is genuine, check here. Check there. Check there.
Dis hy daai.
So, Patriots het gehoor. Wat kan vir wat? Let us thank you for waking up or staying awake until 12 o'clock. Charles, are you okay? So thank you for being who you are. I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys and may God bless you and we are all that we have. So the guys, they're still fighting us. Los Marai, man. Los Marai, ons is together here. We are together. We have shown people. I'm very emotional because I can't be the leader of the party forever. We need to bring up young people to come and take over. You know, this boy just, like, he's very emotional inside there now. You know, and I say boy respectfully because he's a young man. Very smart. Thank you, Patriots. Let's build our people. Dat is onze mensen gaat halen. Dat is onze mensen gaat halen. Dat is onze mensen... Dat is die Patriots... Die Patriots moet warm voelen, man. I want to thank you guys. SG, thank you for the way you handle this thing. Thank you, SG. And to everybody, at jy nie players vandag aan, jy eindelijk die torenaar. Let me someone get that one out quickly. You know, you have to understand the Patriotic Alliance, man. We explained to him the PA. You will never find me taking the PA. Even if I'm angry with Patriots. Because ek verstaan, these are the kinders, the toekomst. This is our children's dream. Love you guys. I do. And thank you. I don't want to keep you any longer, but I'm so excited, eh? They were so hungry, they couldn't even sit at the restaurant to eat. They came all the way in. I'm sorry, I can only feed them sandwiches at this time of the night. Otherwise, those vleesbakken, goed as was hy.